Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Safra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to prepare the mutton liver, and I've purchased this from an online retailer, and this is half kg of mutton liver. And so the pieces of this, they seem to be quite big. I'm going to cut it into even smaller pieces. So I'm going to use this, I don't know what you call it in English, but this is used to even grate the coconut over here. And this is very convenient. So you can use a knife to cut this, but I find it more convenient to do it on this when it is meat and the liver. So make it into smaller pieces. So I'm going to add 1 handful size of coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves, and few green chilies, and 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. So I'll add a little bit of water, not much, so that I can grind it into a nice paste. So I've ground it into a nice paste, and now I'll prepare the mutton liver. So switch on the gas and keep it on high flame. For this you're supposed to use a pan, because we want this not very thick like gravy. This is not going to be a gravy, but this is going to be dry fry kind of, with a little bit of masala, so you get a good flavor. And you can also just fry the mutton liver like this in a pan with just oil and just chili powder and salt and garam masala. That also will taste very good. Completely dry fry, so that it remains, all the moisture goes away and it remains hard and nice, completely dry. I'm going to make this little more like soft, so I'll be adding a little bit of water and cooking it. So it all depends on your liking, the way you want to prepare. There are many recipes available online and many methods of making this. So this is my way, my style of making it. And I don't marinate the mutton liver, I directly use it. So I'll add the spices. I've added one star anise. So I'll also be adding the powdered spices, but when you add it like this, it gives a different flavor altogether. So I've added star anise 1, black cardamom, and cinnamon 1 stick. So add some onions, so I want this starter, this mutton liver, to have a little bit of thick kind of masala. So you can also eat it with some roti or chapati, or you can also have it that way. It depends on how you want it. So I've added sufficient quantity of onions and let it continue to be on high medium flame. So you know, when you add the whole spices, not in the powdered form, it gives a different flavor altogether. Also you can add the spices like the garam masala and all the powders available, but when you add this, it gives a complete different flavor. So we'll add some ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I'll be mentioning all the details of the ingredients that I use in the description box below, so you can refer to that. So just saute these onions on medium heat. I have also uploaded a video of the mutton liver, the red masala dry fry, and if you want to refer to that recipe, you can refer to that. So I'll be adding a lot of stuff in future, all variety of videos and recipes. So if you're new to my channel and watching my videos for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for my regular updates. So once the onions are sauteed well, that raw smell, the aroma of the ginger garlic paste, it goes away, and the onions and the ginger garlic paste becomes one nice homogeneous mix. Then so that time you're supposed to add the liver. So with this I'm going to add the masala, green masala. So let's start adding the spices one by one. I'll add the salt to taste. The quantity depends on how much salt you'll require. I'm going to add the coriander powder, and some cumin powder. So like I mentioned to you all that I wanted it a little more spicy, so I added more quantity of green chilies, but that can vary as per your taste, how spicy you want it or less, and you can add the quantity required. I'll add some turmeric powder, and most important for the green masala is, yes, the chilies and the coriander, which will give the color, and also pepper powder, which will add to this green masala flavoring and give this a nice mix. Like I mentioned to you all, I want it nice and moist and soft, so I have added the water. But if you just want it dry fry without any thick masala kind of, you can just fry it with oil and some clarified butter, ghee, and add some salt, red chili powder, garam masala, and also a little bit of ginger garlic paste. So it's sunset now, and you can see this direct sunlight falling on this dish, so this appears to be very bright. Anyways, after it's prepared, you all will be able to see the nice color, green masala of the liver. So I'll keep it on high flame and I'll cover it, and once it starts vaporizing, I'll just decrease the flame and keep it on medium heat. Yes, I forgot to add something. It's the clarified butter, which I'll add. So this clarified butter adds to the flavor. It's so incomplete, the dish, without adding this ghee. I'm using the cow's ghee because I prefer that. So just cover it. I'll just add a little bit of vinegar. So if you don't have that in your kitchen, then you can add a little bit of lime juice, just not a little bit, not much, just a teaspoon. Or you can add a little bit of curds, like 1 tablespoon of curds. So give this a good nice mix. And mutton liver, it doesn't take much time to cook. It gets cooked very fast. So I'm just going to cover this and check it after 5 to 7 minutes. So it's almost 5 minutes since it's cooking. I'll just have a check. So the color is slightly changed, it's become nice dark green. Let it cook for some more time. Give it a mix and let it cook. Let it simmer for some more time on medium flame. So it's almost 5 minutes and we'll have a check on it. Give it a nice good mix. You can see that the mutton liver is still hard, so it's not cooked completely. So I'm going to add some more water. So 10 to 12 minutes have passed. Just let have a check. So I've just checked one piece and it's almost done. So it's cooked, but I want it a little more soft. So I'll keep it for again 5 to 7 minutes, and I want it a little moist and nice. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil. This is like the used oil that I've kept and I don't discard it. I had fried something with that, and so I can reuse it, and I've added it in this. So this will add to the moisture and it will become nice and oily, this mutton liver. So the remaining oil I will add. I don't like to waste the oil, so I keep it and give it a good mix. Let it continue to be on the same heat for another 5 minutes. So it's done now, 5 minutes on simmer, and yes, I'll put it off and let it cool down for 5 more minutes and then we'll serve it. So let me serve it now quickly. So it's ready. You can see it's so hot and steaming. This liver dry fry green masala. And if you're looking for a variety of cuisine and a variety of recipes for preparation in non-veg recipes, then you can subscribe to my channel for many such recipes and videos. And if you like this recipe of mine, then don't forget to hit the like button and share it with friends and family. and definitely you will like this recipe, the liver fry green masala. And don't forget to drop your comments below in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So this can be eaten as a starter just like that, or you can even have it with some chapati or roti or rice. So don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you all in my more upcoming videos. Bye bye.